Right, coach, there's that butcher's lock. Dead simple construction, isn't it? In fact, it's a little bit like the MOW lock. Bit of a curtain, brass curtain, one lever. Oops, shit. And that throws. Come on. There you go. That's up. So, going off that principle, similar type of lock. All we need is a bent bike spoke, as usual. This has got a curtain as well. Get it lined up. As I said, it's only to guide the original key. It's not to turn a bolt or anything. So the levers in this lever in these, very thin. Got to see if we can find it. It's in there somewhere. There you go. Job's a good one. One little bike spoke. Now this one's not been butchered, coach. If you wanted this, you can have it, mate. It's got two little anchors on it. Don't know what them mean. Unless it's a hallmark. Don't think it's silver though. Cheers.